Hi, this is David from MarineMax Laker Hopatcong. Today we are on a beautiful 2024 red 21 SPX. We have the dune interior color. I'm on the nice swim platform back here. There's sea deck under my feet. As we walk through the pass-through, we have storage with our battery switches in here. More storage right here on the first step into the cockpit. Our trailer straps are in there. This boat's powered with a V6 250 horsepower Mercruiser engine. Access to that is nice and simple. This lifts up. Battery, storage, engine, everything's easily accessible. There's a bimini top above my head, a built-in cooler underneath the back seat, a carry-off cooler on the port side. We have this lounger that slips forward, so if your passenger wants to sit aft. So I come over here to the helm. We have our captain's chair with our flip-up bolster, our binnacle with our safety cord, switches, our Simrad dashboard, our Fusion stereo system. As I move up into the cockpit, you'll see there's storage on the port side, infinity flooring underneath my seat, plenty of seating with recessed cup holders, and an anchor locker in the bow. This boat does have a trailer. It is available at MarineMax Laker Hopatcong. Come on down, let's take a look.